What is up, guys? In today's video we're going to an event in Italy called German versus JDM. As you can see, the German and JDM crew from Slovenia and Croatia has already assembled. We're already driving to the event and it's pretty hot. My AC ain't working and my wife is very happy. Alright, so I think that we've come over at the event. I don't know where the Subaru guy is going, but we're going this way. It's really hot, but I'm really glad we came. I'm just gonna do a quick look around to see all the cars, and then I'm gonna chill in IKEA for a little bit and then continue the tour. So as for now, let's check in and see what cars are here.
Ragazzi,
ciao! Grazie! We got a backpack. There we go. Alright, so we made it in the fair. Now it's just time to find a parking spot to park, and hopefully we'll have all Rx8s under one, together. Alright, so the squad is here. This is mine, friends, and the other ones.